Winter has arrived, and I guess all your good looking goals have gone out for a toss. So, in this video, I will be enumerating 5 ways, not 10, not 2, but 5 ways to look good instantly, not over a period of month or an year, instantly. When these things are concerned, they take time, but what I am going to tell you can be applied immediately. Number 1, take a scrub or get yourself a scrub. Yes, you heard me right. I'm telling guys to get a scrub. It's not about being metrosexual or something, but getting a scrub helps you combat those dead cells or dead skin tissues which are predominant in winter. In winter, your skin tends to get pale and dry, especially for individuals who have dry skin. Even for those who have an oily skin, a scrub works just fine. I would prefer you to go for an apricot scrub as it scrubs and removes those dead cells better. Number 2, get yourself a beard and maintain it. So the first part of this topic is to get yourself a beard. In winter or during winter, your skin tends to look a bit pale, especially for people who have a lighter skin tone. It can make them look feminine. So if you want to enhance the masculinity, you need to do a few things. And the first one is to have a beard. Not a stubble. You can have a stubble according to you, which suits your face better. For somebody who is having a big face like me, you can go for a slight stubble. For those who have a triangular face like which tapers down, you can go for a thick beard, which looks very good on males. I would be more than happy to prescribe you that. Once you have got yourself a beard, you need to maintain it. And maintaining is the toughest job. Firstly, you need to remove these kind of hairs, because having these hairs can hide your neckline and will make you look shorter. And get yourself a proper cut, proper alignment, because a clumsy beard is such a turn off. Number 3, cut down on salt. It's winter, you're not sweating that much, so you don't need to supplement yourself with lots of salt. Cutting down on salt helps you get this chiseled jawline, which is like a hit among the ladies and stuff when it comes to enhancing your masculinity. So what to do? Cut down the salt as it will reduce the water retention and it will make your face look more chiseled. So you get those 3 things out of the way. Number 4, get yourself some good sleep. Sleep is very important, as more you sleep, around 8 to 9 hours of sleep, it helps your body to recover well if you're working out or you're doing long hours of work in the office, and it helps reduce those dark lines, which are seriously a dampener when it comes to your good looks. And number 5, last but not the least, drink loads and loads of water. It's very difficult to take in a lot of water during winters because your body doesn't actually demand. So I have a theory. I have been using something called a percolation theory to make myself drink and make myself crave water during winters. What you should do, you should drink water in small intervals, like 300 ml every half an hour. What does it do? It makes your body accustomed to drinking water at regular intervals, and within 2 to 3 days you will feel thirsty even if it's winter. So you can do that. So now let me recapitulate all the things. First, you need to get yourself a scrub, especially an apricot scrub, and even a walnut scrub would do. Second, you need to get yourself a beard based on your face shape, and you need to maintain it. That's the second point. Third, you need to cut down on salt. Cut down on salt so that it reduces water retention. Number 4, get enough sleep. And number 5 is about staying hydrated. So this is the first video which starts on Monday, first video of the grooming series. We'll having this kind of conversation every Monday. So if you like this video, give me a like. And if you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to my channel, Groom with Charlie. And tomorrow we will be bringing out a workout video straight from the gym. The plan is to work on legs and shoulders. So stay tuned for tomorrow. Stay healthy.